Interacting with your list. How to keep your list members happy and increase your email list. We all know how important it is to build a membership list. When done right, your list can be a captive audience. When you offer them deals, they'll buy. But just as important as building a list is maintaining it properly. If you have people ignoring your messages or unsubscribing, it won't do you any good. First of all, when new people sign up for your list, don't sell to them right away. The first couple of times you email them, offer them valuable information or something nice with no strings attached. Focus on building a relationship with them. If your first broadcast message is a bid for their money, they'll likely be unsubscribing. Make a worthwhile offer. You know, it's pretty much essential to offer a freebie if you want people to sign up for your list. Nobody wants to sign up an email list and run the risk of getting spammed to death. A freebie sweetens the deal for them. Well, you've also got to keep the freebies coming. Every so often, give them something special. Remember, your list members are special to you. Treat them that way. For example, put together a quick pre-sell report or offer a really good discount on your products or services. You can even introduce scarcity in this phase just to prove your seriousness. Frequent contact is key. Keep in touch with your list on a regular basis. Everybody debates how much you should send out emails. Email them too much and they'll start to ignore you. If you wait too long to email and they'll forget about you. It's tough to say exactly how much is the right amount because every niche is different, but keep in steady contact. A couple of messages a week is considered pretty standard. Be sure to not oversell. Make sure that you email them sometimes just to stay in touch. In other words, every email shouldn't be an offer. Instead, share some news item with them or invite them to visit your blog. Make it a point to follow a consistent schedule for contacting your list. Send them some tips or an article of some kind. If you only email them with offers, they will associate you with only wanting to sell them. This will, in turn, make it more difficult for you to sell to them over time. Affiliate emailing. One strategy you can use is to become an affiliate for other people's products and services and market them to your list. This can be an extremely lucrative way to generate money through your list. There is a caveat though. Don't ever recommend a product or service you haven't tested or used. Don't forget, it's about credibility, not just sales. Keeping your list properly informed, offering good advice and free products will endear them to you. It's all about building trust. Remember, people buy people first. Ask your subscribers to get involved. Another way for your subscribers and members to enjoy being part of your list is to actually be involved. Invite them over to your social media sites where they can enjoy polls, games, quizzes, discussions, and other things that get them actively participating. If they feel like they are part of your business, they'll feel better about buying from you. Keep your ears open and listen to what they have to say. Again, social media is a good way to do this. Keep tabs on the feedback they give you about your service. Understand as well as possible their problems, questions, worries, fears, and concerns. Then when you make offers, give them exactly what they want or need to get their problems resolved. And always offer them good deals. Never push garbage on your list. You can also encourage your subscribers to interact or do a task as an incentive to get access to a discount or better deal. Even just one lousy product or scam offer will cost you a huge amount of your list members' trust and respect. Your authority and reputation as the one that gives them good stuff will be damaged. Always make sure you offer them high-quality offers that they can use. Present yourself as an authority to your subscribers. Get their feedback, and then work to create products or services that provide a solution. Conclusion. The email marketing list should be the most important component of your internet marketing campaign. Focus on building a quality list versus a massive list of tire kickers or people that won't interact or benefit you just as you benefit them. The larger and or more quality your list is, the more sales you will be able to make. But you should not simply look at your email list as a means of making money. Instead, look at your list as an opportunity to build relationships with your customers and potential customers. Put emphasis on developing a strong relationship with a reliable and faithful clientele. Then, when you have a product or service to promote, you can send your promotion via email to many people who already know, like, and trust you. It takes a lot of time and effort to build a list that is going to be effective, but it is well worth it in the long run. Once you've learned the basics of driving traffic and how to build an email list, you will have successfully mastered creating a powerful means of long-term income and success for your business that will carry you well into the future.